read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected parents, how are you? I hope you all are fine and happy. Today in the class, we taught to the students number 15. Number 15. But I want to help you. How could you teach number 15 at home? Okay, take 15 ice cream sticks, keep them on the table, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many ice cream sticks are there? 15 ice cream sticks. Okay, after that, you and the student will count the chicks. 15 ice cream sticks को गिनने के बाद हम क्या करेंगे? हम इन chicks को count करेंगे. So let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. हमेशा की तरह हमने काउंट करने का जो सेंस है वो डेवलप किया बच्चों में. हाउ टू काउंट डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स. नाउ वी विल शो नंबर 15. अब हम नंबर 15 दिखाएंगे और ट्रेस करना सिखाएंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. Start from the dot, come straight down. It will make number 1. Start from the dot, come straight down. Make semicircle, make sleeping line. It will make number 5. 10 and 5, 15. 10 and 5, 15. 10 and 5, 15. 10 and 1, 11. 10 and 2, 12. 10 and 3, 13, 10 and 4, 14, 10 and 5, very good, 10 and 5, very good. बिल्कुल इसी तरह बच्चा रिस्पॉन्स करेगा. 10 and 5, 15. 15 chicks hop happily in the hay. After that, you will say to the student, do like that, hop around energetically as if you are in the pile of hay. I hope so. You enjoyed a lot today. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.